It's day 35, 4 days after our efforts to achieve that dark green lawn for our thumbnail. We applied a lot of fertilizer. Here's the results. It's looking pretty nice. I'm really pleased with it actually. We really took it to its limit as regards iron application. We put green grass black moss on, which has iron in, and then we went on top with the soluble iron, and it really was on its limit, but it's looking really good. It's looking really good. I wouldn't apply any more iron than that at one visit, so just sticking to that application, green grass black moss and then soluble iron over the top, it achieved this, and I think it looks great. I hope it picks up on the camera just how nice and dark this is, but yeah, I'm really pleased. We've got this patch here from our little mishap with the dodgy spreader that broke just by pushing it, which is really poor for that spreader. I mean, you know, I took it back, got my money back, got a refund. So yeah, we move on from that. And how have I dealt with this patch? You can see a few little areas where it spilt one, two, three, 4 areas where it spilt really bad, where it just dropped out from when the inside of the spreader just broke. It just split, and then all the fertilizer fell out in a line. I mean, I tried to clear it with my glove. I tried to blow the pellet away, but you know, it was stuck. We obviously put a wetting agent on, hoping that would maybe help it, ease it in some way, and watered it a lot. I mean, in that area there, it just looked like an iron magnesium soup as I was trying to rinse the product through. But I mean, the grass is still green at the base, at the crown, so you know, the grass might recover. To be honest, well, I've never done it, thankfully, but obviously I've seen other people do it. Other lawn care operators have over applied iron, and or applied it in the wrong conditions, and it's just blackened the whole lawn. And basically all they've done is refunded the customer the cost of that treatment, because obviously they misapplied it, and the lawn's come back. So maybe it will come back, but I'm expecting to rake that out and maybe top dress it. We'll see. It doesn't matter. Everything can be fixed. Just relax and enjoy yourself. Enjoy looking after your lawn. But this is looking good. I think I've got the thumbnail. I've also filmed a few videos as like a preview to this tutorial, as the first video of this series. And you know, we're on day 35. We had a few setbacks along the way. We had obviously all the stone in the ground at first, and the rain was just, honestly, it was just unbelievable. It was, as I say, the wettest July on record, and that is no exaggeration. I could have cut it if I weren't filming videos, doing a tutorial, and I would have probably came out and you know, cared for it as normal. But you can't film in that weather, and to be honest, working in it all day, every day, the last thing you want to do is come home and work in it again, cut on your own lawn. So yeah, never mind, we're on day 35, but there is no reason why you can't achieve this between 2 to 4 weeks, actually. No reason. I wouldn't push it, but you know, if it works out, it works out. But if it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just relax and enjoy the process. So now I'm going to give it its mow. This is the last video of this tutorial, and then we're going to move on to other things. We've achieved a fantastic, fabulous domestic lawn. We had a visitor the other day as well who asked me if this was artificial. I mean, job done. Achieve the dream. That's what you want, isn't it? Absolutely. So yeah, so now we're going to enjoy cutting it for the last time in this tutorial. Let's see what it looks like, and then we'll sign off and race on to the next either video or tutorial series. We'll see what's in store. we go, the final mow of this tutorial series of a domestic lawn. It's pretty good, it's pretty nice, lovely colour, lovely colour. So I hope you enjoyed the series, following it along. I hope you've learned something. Maybe you've even copied it and imitated it, and you're enjoying the fruits of your labour as I am here today. So yeah, thank you so much for following along. Also, thank you for liking and subscribing if you have. If you haven't, please think about doing that. I'd really appreciate it. Going forward, well, we're going to be taking this lawn to the next level. That's what we're going to be doing. I mean, but look at that, it's such a nice colour, and as this thickens and matures, wow, it's going to get even better and better. This lawn isn't by any means perfect, but it's pretty good for a month old. I'm quite pleased. So yeah, you could choose to just keep going, using the things you've learned through this tutorial series and enjoying your lawn. And as I say, we've already had someone ask, is this artificial? Wow, yeah, that's pretty good, pretty good. So yeah, enjoy your day. Just noticed I tried putting a stripe in there. You can't see it so well because the lawnmower that I've used is it's so light that you're not really going to get a heavy stripe in on this using that mower. But yeah, I tried. Looks all right, looks okay. So yeah, you can carry on going. I'm really pleased actually that we managed to cover the things that we did in this tutorial series, like organic feeds. You could be literally looking after your lawn totally organic, or you could imitate what I've done. So yeah, there's been quite a lot. We discussed labels as well, NPK numbers. That knowledge is invaluable. Yeah, just a small amount of knowledge can really help you in deciding what products you want to put down. So that was a really good part of the tutorial. I've enjoyed making it. So going forward, as I say, we're going to take this lawn to the next level. That's what we're going to be doing going forward. So I hope you join me for those future videos. So until then, enjoy doing whatever it is that you're doing, and enjoy looking after your lawn as well, and enjoy looking at it. That's why we do it. That's why we do it. We're constantly aiming for perfection. This is by no means perfect, but we're aiming for perfection. And that's the fun of looking after lawns. So yeah, have a good day and catch you soon. Bye bye.